What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be working on this Q50. The guy told me that this passenger side front bag was leaking. So right now that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm going to go ahead and jack the car up good, get the wheel off, and spray it with some soapy water just to see if it's where it's coming from. But I mean, either way, he got a replacement bag, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so I got the wheel off, and this is the bag right here that needs replacing. So the line is disconnected, so ooh, I don't think this is any good right here. As y'all can see, okay, so I got the bag out now. I took off the 3 top 12s, and the fork stayed in there for now. But as you can see, the issue is right here. Let me zoom in. Give me a sec. There's no threads. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the bag. Take this top 19 off, the top hat, and I should be able to just switch out the bag real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the top 19. And the top hat should just come off. But just make sure you put everything in the exact same way it came out. So this, and then the top hat. So I went ahead and loosened up the little lock ring underneath the bag. And I should just be able to twist this now. Okay, so I went ahead and got the old bag off of the strut, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one in. All I gotta do is make sure that I put that thread part at the bottom like this, and then I left the lock ring right where it's gonna stop, so I'm gonna thread the bag up to right here. So here's the old, here's the new, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. But first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is thread this onto the bag, so I won't end up stripping anything while I'm trying to get it in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and thread this on first, put some Teflon tape, and then I'll do that step last. Okay, I went ahead and put some thread tape, Teflon tape, whatever you want to call it, onto the hose. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the bag. Okay, I'm just going to tighten it, which should be 14. Actually. Okay, so I got the bag on. I haven't put the top hat on yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this lock ring. Okay, so the lock ring is on, tighten, bag is on. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the top hat on. This goes on top. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten the top 19. Not all the way yet. I'm gonna tighten it once I install it, so I can rotate this if I need to. Okay, so I went ahead and installed the strut and everything back in. I put the strut, the bag, I tightened everything. I installed the new line and I held it on with some zip ties right here. What else? I tightened the bottom and I went ahead and connected back the ABS line. That's it. That should be it. I went ahead and sprayed some soapy water on any other spots where it could leak, and everything's good now. So the only thing left to do is install the wheel, put the wheel back on, and that should be it.